So for today, we're comparing two popular audio platforms, which is the Speechify and the Audible. So let's see how they stack up. In Speechify, it is a text-to-speech tool designed for accessibility and productivity. And its pros, it is a multi-language support, customizable voice, and great for reading documents on the go. On the cons, subscription cost can be high and AI voices may sound unnatural at times. While in Audible, it is a go-to platform for audiobooks and spoken word content. Its pros, extensive library and professional narration and offline access. The cons of it is subscription model with credits can be limiting for heavy listeners. In comparison, choose Speechify if you need text-to-speech for document and multitasking, and choose Audible if you prefer high-quality audiobooks and storytelling.